Well, ladies and gentlemen, here it is, the final product. I don't think it can get any better. Looks pretty dang good to me. I'm gonna send it the way it is. Not bad for a 2008 headlight. Again, I've been at this for 2 hours, so yeah, I'm pleased with the outcome, but definitely not the way I would recommend if you're looking for a quick fix. And again, I saw a guy and made an excellent video. If you've got, well, let me step back a little bit. Would I trade more than 2 hours of my life and availability to my children, my family, to do other cool things on a weekend for $100 to just buy a new set of headlights? Yes, I would. If I bought that new set of headlights, I would also buy a headlight cover spray, a clear coat, top coat, something that would protect these to make them last even longer. That being said, like I said, this is done. There was another guy on YouTube that he used a polisher, you know, the ones that look like like a grinder, but it's got a orbital head on it, like the head moves around like this and it spins. And he was able to do his headlight. I believe he used aluminum polish in about 3 minutes. So there was no damage to the paint because aluminum polish is very fine. And yeah, this is I went over the headlight after the last video twice with white diamond. I did it once. There are a couple of spots left I wasn't happy with, and now I am happy with the entire thing. So I'm going to go over it in a protective coating of some sort. Scotty Kilmer, he's out there somewhere. He really recommended Meguiars headlight coating. And I'm not the biggest fan of him per se, but he is. I do agree with most of what he says. It's just I feel like he's always yelling at me, you know. But no, he really seems to know what he's talking about, and that he recommended that product, and he said he had been quote unquote testing it for several years. So here we are. This one's done. I do not plan on doing the other one and taking 2 hours on it. I might give it the aluminum polish treatment because this was just so much time. And as far as like I said, I did the inverter pump on my car, which is why I have the headlight out. And I do not recommend doing it in your lap. It makes a big mess on your pants, on your shirt, on the floor, especially with the drill deal there. It just kind of slings shit everywhere. So, number 1, lesson learned. Keep your headlight in the car. Number 2, lesson learned. Use good products. Highly recommend that to get the yellow out. Highly recommend this to bring the clear back. I probably could have done that in 2 steps with the foam pad to begin with, but I didn't. So, that's what I might try on the other one, since I don't have aluminum polish per se. Well, besides this, which specifically says metal polish. But yeah, we're gonna go from there, and I'll put the coating on this and show you how that looks in the next video. The video after that, I'll do the driver's side passenger side headlight on the car. So hopefully this helps somebody, and yeah. I'd recommend these 2 products, the Turtle Wax Rubbing Compound Heavy Duty Cleaner. They have several tins, but this is part number 74660-01230. Worked great. Like I said, cleared up the yellow and brought back the clear. So Have a good one. Be safe. If this helps you, great. Please consider liking and subscribing. I'm trying to establish this channel and make more videos for more people. So if you have any content that you would like to see, repair, need to know how to put air in your tire, need to know how to change your oil, please comment, and I will do my best to help you out. Have a good day.